Well, Mabutu. Former Kumasa Santo Kotoko striker and Black Stars. Prolific strikers and making when you're strikers, Libya. Sarrah Mensah. Boy, the Boama Ghana, Pa, any Santo Kotoko, any Assam Kitua. And Ra, and Mina information say, we're joining the silent majority. One say, we are saying, Nipo Mawu. Everywhere, a dose of chain, ya, TRC. No, or joining the silent majority of young people. Sarrah Mensah or a legend for Ghana, and me expect to say, you be state funeral man because a young Kotoko Kono Bebo Marco. The photo no na me de ato so no only the kind no and George Atta one or so only the kind no and George Atta one or so photo no it brings back beautiful memories. You can see the background Baba Yara Sports Stadium not actually full capacity and now a bobo na a quantity de Musa. Too bad. Sarrah Mensah. And run and call the cringe. So it was Sunday. On the no, and another Kotoko legend, which is coach, former coach of Samates. I know Walker. And so former player for Kumasa Santo Kotoko. This time around, the legendary Sarrah Mensah. And you can was Sarrah Mensah did kind of urgent cheer for George Atta. Let me give you some a little bit of information about how he joined Kumasi Santo Kotoko. I quite remember in 1980 the me near home my king kind and I told it. I'm told the same after 83 Kotoko J Africa New Year 84 and on George Atta in free Sunyai. Those days, Sunyai top clubs are now on there, but for Aquatano and the BA United. They came from these two respective clubs, George Atta and legend I can say Sarrah Mensah. Omo join us and Kotoko 84. After sending Kotoko, we need the CAF Champions League. The intention was that to maintain and to strengthen the squad. And our mobile joining our most be our mobile right say name in gold for this great club as Santo Kotoko. So Abusian for a year down no. Say I know Kadi and Yanye and Bako so as I buy. It does it. Two for now and share Busian day. No more marble tray. Legend and so a couple of fun upon in channel. Now all rest in peace. Eddie.